How to fix keyboard not typing in Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. So if you want to fix the keyboard not typing in your Windows 10 PC or laptop, then what you need to do is just right click on your Windows, go with Device Manager. Once you open up your Device Manager, you just need simply go with Keyboards, enlarge your keyboards, and you just need simply go with your driver. You may have one or two drivers, so you just need simply right click on it, go with Update Driver, go with Search automatically for drivers, and restart. Once you've restarted your PC or your computer, then your problem may be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then right click on it and then go with Uninstall Device. Once you go with Uninstall, then it will ask you to restart. And once you've restarted, then the drivers will be automatically installed on your device once you've restarted. And after that, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix keyboard not typing in Windows 10 or 11 PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.